Of emergency.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. Two choices: Knights of Columbus House or go home.
All right. Thank you. That's gonna take a while to clean this place up. Oh yeah, you can if you want to get charged.
Yeah, if you guys want.
Yeah, you can't go that way unless you want to get charged, bud.
I know. No, there's not right at the moment. They'll charge you if you can.
Well, you have to wait. Go over there and talk to them. It's a state of emergency. Insurance will pay for your car. It'd be good.
What's up, man?
Nothing. Oh, fuck. I heard some bullshit. Not that it really matters right now, but look at this place, eh?
This
fucking
place is
2012.
Yeah, 2012 is coming, dude.
Bring it on. Hey, I'm gonna live.
No doubt, no doubt.
How you been?
Alright, alright. My place is trash.
Is
dude.
it?
Yeah, the fucking ceiling got ripped right off, man. Like fucking a wall or a fucking roof of somewhere. From
I'm
somewhere
glad you guys
came
are
through my
alright.
window.
Fuck. I was running around uptown all over the place going to my friend's
Dude,
house.
I'm in my place trying to get everything fucking organized, get everything
packed,
out of the way, you know?
and they're kicking you out.
Oh, dude, and then I tried to get out and fucking go see somebody, and they just fucking fired me. What are you doing back there? Dude, I live back here. Calm down.
Yeah, like, fuck off. Alright, well, it's good to see you.
Yeah, man.
Be safe. Where are you heading?
I'm not sure yet.
If you ever need a place, text me. I got a house. My house is fine.
Alright.
Alright. Serious.
Alright.
Take care.
Talk to you pretty soon. Man.
Alright, definitely, man. Give me a text. I'm not allowed past here? I live up here.
I know, but you'll have to go around. There's a gas leak.
Oh.
So we can't let anybody through.
Oh, okay. Even if I'm not gonna smoke or anything?
Yep.
Yeah.
Dangerous, so.
Alright.
Hi guys, can't go past here. I know there's a gas leak now and I can't go past.
Like,
Yeah, sorry.
is it over the...
As far as I know, yeah, but...
Is it over that way?
No, it's right here, so you gotta go that way.
So I gotta go around?
Yeah.
Alright. Can't go that way. Gotta go around.
not gonna do anything.
Yeah,
What do you-
2012.
Don't you have to go save people?
Fuck no.
That was fucking nuts. Dude, we were at the fucking bar. Me and her like, dude, it's getting really bad. And the windows blew out. We're like, that's bad.
Yeah, I've been fucking touring around everywhere
Bro,
helping
it's fucking
people.
nuts.
And
How's your side of town?
we're fine.
Is it?
Yeah, they're alright.
Is it from the square to
Yeah,
my
oh,
house?
the squares. Fuck.
Have you seen my house? My
No.
whole street is gone.
Where do you live?
On Albert Street, man, by the water tower.
What?
Dude, you can't get down. There's gas leaks thrown up the ground. It's gone. Oh, yeah.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah, go down. Keep going. the way
My
you're
buddy
going down.
lives up
Keep going
there.
this way. Then turn down.
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
Keep
You
that
can
way.
go
You
that
get-
way?
Keep
Right on. I fucking love it. It's bound to happen. You're supposed to give us a warning. How you liking the end of the world?
Oh, dude. It's so wonderful to hear your name. What's up?
No, there's places down everywhere. Apparently the water tower's gone. Is it? Around it is anyway. You know, boys. Brutal shit.